Children, next we are going to discuss about plants in water. The plants that live in or around water such as pond, river, lake and other water bodies are called water plants or aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are classified into three types. They are free floating plants, fixed rooted plants, submerged plants. First we are going to learn about free floating plants. These plants are like sponge. They are found on the surface of the water. They float freely on the water because they have air-filled cavities in leaves and stems. These cavities make them lighter and help them to float freely. These plants have poorly developed roots. For example, water hyacinth, it is also known as Agaya Thamarai, Pistia, duckweed, etc. Next heading is fixed rooted plants. These plants have root that are fixed in the bottom of the water bodies. These plants have air tubes in their stem to help them float. Their leaves are broad and coated with wax to make them waterproof. For example, water lily and lotus. Next heading is submerged plants. These plants live and grow underwater. Their roots fix the plant to the muddy soil. These plants have narrow, thin and very small leaves. There is no opening on the leaf surface. They have a very flexible stem. They breathe through stem. These plants increase the level of oxygen in the water and reduce the level of carbon dioxide. For example, Vallisneria and Hydrilla. Children, next we are going to complete this heading. Let us try. Look at the heading. Mark L for land plants and W for water plants. Here some plants names are given. We have to write the correct answer. Neem tree. It is a land plant. So we have to write L. Lotus. It is a water plant. So we have to write W. Opuntia. L. Vallisneria. W. Water hyacinth. W. Date palm. L. Hydrilla. W. Lily. W. Next heading. Color the water hyacinth plant. Children, this is for you. You have to do. Next heading is write true or false. Question number 1. Fixed rooted plants are present in water bodies. The answer is true. Question number 2. Leaves of lotus are submerged in the water. False. Question number 3. Lotus plants are found in many ponds. True. Question number 4. Water hyacinth freely float with the help of spongy body filled with air. True.